Choosing the right name for your business is a big decision. It's the first thing your customers will notice, and it's what they will remember you by. So let's make it a good one. Start by thinking about what your business stands for. Is it about trust, innovation, quality, or something else? For example, if you are starting a garment export business, you might want a name that reflects elegance and global appeal, like Elite Threads or Global Fabrics. Here's a simple 3-step process. First point, brainstorm ideas. Write down words that represent your business, products, or service. Mix and match them to create a unique combination. Second point, check availability. Once you have shortlisted a few names, check if the domain name is available using sites like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Also check if the name is already trademarked. In India, you can use government's trademark search portal for this. Third point, test it out. Share your top choices with friends, family, or potential customers and ask them for their feedback. Does the name sound easy to remember? Does it create a good impression? Let me share a quick tip with you. Avoid complicated names or those with unusual spellings. For example, instead of XLR8 fabrics, stick to something simple like XL fabrics. So my friends, what's your business idea? Share it in the comments and I will help you brainstorm some name ideas in the future videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again until next time.